very exciting games lined up for you. Of course, we need to have fun as well. The bell is gone for me, all right. I will heed to that. But I'd like to welcome Mr. Ashok back on stage and take us through the fun events, the fun games that are planned for the day. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. All right, the second program is the Turtle Portfolio Manager. Friends, TPM is first of its kind trading and investing game which is designed to give you the experience of the trading ring of the 1980s. Imagine investing in an era where there are no computer terminals. All right, it is a great opportunity for you to experience how Dalal Street worked before all these so-called terminals came into the world of trading. Okay, it's going to be a nice experience to every one of you. How many of you got your currencies? Everyone got your trading currencies? Please raise your hands. I humbly request everyone to respond to me because I will be in a state of confusion. Second, you all have got around 10 lakhs worth of currencies in your hands, right? It has photos of Chanakya and Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala on both sides. Now, there is a trading desk at the left corner. The Kautilya Wealth trading desk at the left corner, that is the trading desk. You can go there and buy shares from the desk. There are 10 company shares available for purchase. You can purchase any share of your choice. Okay? Arun, if required, bring more people into the hall, ask them to help everybody. Okay? Next. You can go there in the corner, friends, and buy shares. You have a beautiful transaction sheet. You have got a transaction sheet. In the transaction sheet, you need to mention clearly which share you bought, from whom you bought. Every person has a secret code in their currency. Your money, we know who has which currency, correct? If you give any currency to any person, that money is also getting tracked because we have a tracker there. Please put a beautiful log, okay? The trading desk has shares worth, I guess, only 10 crores or 20 crores. We have circulated currencies worth 30 crore rupees, 10 lakhs into 300 people. All right? Now, on first come first serve basis, the shares will be sold. All right? You can go to that counter anytime. You can keep buying the shares. There will be couple of people there. They will help you. That is one part of the story. One share certificate represent one lot, like Nifty, Bank Nifty, one lot for futures, something like that. Over the period of time, we will make some breaking news announcements just before the lunch, before the dinner. There will be some news that are announced to you in order to tickle your imagination, provoke you to make some conclusions, and trigger you to go and make some transactions. We have created those news, and those news will help you to have a different decision making process. Depending upon the news, you guys will transact, exchange shares with people, no problem. There are locations identified outside where each share can be exchanged. Roam around, please exchange those shares. Next, there shall be a bidding process also. We will take 1 minute to do bidding for all shares. People will dynamically decide the price. Okay? And at the end of the second day, we will publish the final share value of all the 10 stocks. Depending upon how much cash you are holding, how much of shares you are holding, we will do some aggregation. We will make you do the calculations and we will choose the top 5 guys. Okay? Hope you got clarity on breaking news and bidding. Bidding, we will help you. We will dynamically come on stage and trigger it. There are dedicated places for share exchange. Okay? Kindly write transaction history. The reason why we force you people to do transaction history is this is called keeping your own trading chart. How many of you maintain a trader's log? How many traders here maintains a disciplined trader's log? You ask me what I traded 3 years back, I have the data. And I am an algo trader, you all know our data is automated. I don't have to keep it anyway. Okay? But when I was doing manual trading 4 years back, I used to really track it in a very disciplined way. Okay? If at the end of the day, we will ask you to do calculations, maybe tomorrow night or even Sunday morning, whoever is having a highest portfolio, he has to come and explain his order book. It's a very important process. You should come to the counter and explain your order book. I bought these shares from this guy, this much share I sold it to this guy. You need to track it beautifully. We will only respect those people who have a clear transaction history. Okay? Based on that, based on values and based on any data clarity, because if there is no clear data, disqualified. 5 winners would be decided. Okay? Any deviation will go for disqualification. Okay? We have Diamond Turtle Portfolio Manager, 50,000 prize money. Platinum TPM, 25,000. Gold Turtle, 15. Silver Turtle, 10,000. And finally the Bronze Turtle, another 10,000. Okay? So please try to play this game, experience it. Friends, the shares desk will close in some time. Maybe by end of today, that shares desk, the bell, the ring or the center will be closed. If you guys want to buy the shares, you need to buy it today only. Tomorrow, you will not get a chance to buy the shares because it will be a transaction between yourself. Everyone got it? You can buy shares from the exchange today only by end of day, by evening. So there are still another 30% shares available to purchase. Please go and purchase if you want. If you don't buy it there, you have to buy it from people here only if they want to sell you. Everyone clear? Okay, if you want to buy, please go. Next. Can we show the breaking news, friends? Can we finish the bidding in 5 minutes? Okay, every table has red and green. Tariq, ask somebody to get me the list of stocks. I want the list of stocks. Shares to be purchased. The desk is still open. By the end of that, the desk will close. This is with respect to TPM. All right. Gurukul Premier League is pretty clear and straightforward. Every 1 hour you get your questions. Today you're going to answer 40 questions. Tomorrow another 40. And finally on Sunday you will get to answer another 20 questions. That will end the whole game. Now, let us do a quick bidding. Friends, you have the red and green boards. Can one of you on each table represent your whole team and show me both of them? Only one person. Show both of them. Only one person. All right, sounds good. Now, the price of each share is 1 lakh rupees, correct? Now, let's start bidding. The breaking news of each stock will be announced in about 5 minutes from now. Okay, can we run the news while Arun is preparing? All set? Go ahead.
Preview.
Awesome, sounds good. Let's quickly start the bidding process. Let's go with CTS, all right? How many of you want to jump the price of CTS from current 1 lakh to 1.1 lakh? Just show me red and green cards. You just have to lift it. If it is red, it's red. Show if it is green, it's green. I see more green, so the price of CTS is 1.1. Anybody who wish to take it to 1.2 lakhs? Show up the numbers. All right, 1.2. Next, CTS. Anybody who wish to take it to 1.3? Okay, some more. CTS to 1.4. All right, 1.4 price locked. Next, Fame book. Fame book 1.1 lakh. Anybody? Green and red. Green and red. I need at least 5. All red. Fame stays at 1 lakh. So CTS is what? 1.3, right? 1.4. Thank you. So Fame book is at 1 only. Next, Green Bull 1.1. Please show your cards, please. Green, green. Okay. 1.1 true. How about 1.2? Please lift it. Please lift it little high. Okay. More green. 1.3. 1.3. Still more greens. 1.4. 1.4. At least I need 5 greens. Yeah. 1.4 is done. 1.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1.5 is done. 1.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.7. 1.7. Remember, you guys have to pay 1.7 to buy the stocks right now at the counter. Don't forget that. Okay, 1.7 locked. Next, Nanosoft 1.1. Nanosoft 1.1. Yep, 1.2. Yes, 1.3. Yeah, 1.4. 1.4. Yes, 1.5. 1.5 locked. Next, Maple 1.1. Yes, 1.2. No red, everything we want to go up. Okay. 1.3. Maple 1.4. 1.5. 1.6. 1.7. 1.8. 1.9. 1.9 locked for Maple. Intel 1.1. 1.2. 1.3. Request every table to show up, please, please, please. Everyone show. 1.4. Too many bulls in this hall. Huh? Where are the bears? 1.4. 1.5. 1.6. 1.6. 1.7. 1.8. Yeah, too many reds came. 1.8. And remember, you have to pay this price now. Okay? Cheaper the better to buy bulls. Zipcart 1.1. Yeah, yeah, 1.2. 1.3. 1.4. Too many reds. 1.4. Tomato 1.1. Too many reds. Still at 1.
Too many reds, the price can go down.
CMart 1.1. 1.2. 1.3. 1.4. 1.5. 1.6. 1.7. Bears 1.8. 1.8. It's over. The corresponding prices will be handed over to the desk. If anybody wants to buy back shares, okay, they are not going to sell. Please recollect once again, the desk will not buy shares from you. They will only sell shares. All right, number 1. Number 2, you guys have to buy the shares at this new price now. Hello friends, good evening everyone. How is the Josh? So let's hear it from all. Chalo, let's make the highest possible noise that you can make in this hall. You can shout, you can yell, whatever you want to do. 1, 2, 3, go! This did not even cross that particular sponsor room. Okay, once more. 1, 2, 3, go. Not bad. Little better than a fish market, but still it should be bored. First things first. Can I have the pen, please? CTS. Previous price 1.4. Last time only bulls were dominating. Remember, bears can tame down the price. Bears, you can bring down the price based on news. Before this, can we launch the news, guys? Vishwa and team? Yep. So, friends, these are the latest prices of TPM. Famebook 1 lakh, CTS 1.4, Green Bull 1.7, Zipcot 1.4, Tomato 1, CMart 1.8, Tintel 1.8, VTS 1 lakh, Nanosoft 1.5 and Maple 1.9. So shall we proceed with the news? Go ahead. So your news South Indian news comes in.
Preview.
Shall we start the bidding? CTS previous score 1.4. In the previous bidding only bulls dominated. Now the bears, you have the right and opportunity to tame down the price. Okay, CTS at 1.4. Go ahead. More greens. CTS at 1.5. More greens. 1.6. Okay, bears comes down to 1.5. More red. 1.4. More red. 1.3. More red. 1.2. More red. 1.1. Wow. More red. 1.9. Oh, more red. 0.8. Don't send it to 0, guys. 0.7. No, bulls have not yet come. Okay, bulls have come now. 0.7 CTS, latest score. All right, friends, you will have a last opportunity to buy the shares in the desk. They are almost exhausted. Maybe another 10-20% shares are available. Feel free to go and buy. After that, the desk would be closed. Tomorrow afternoon, once again, we are going to publish the bidding process. And tomorrow night will be the last bidding process. Post that, we will consolidate and decide the total portfolio manager of the conclave tomorrow night. And GPL, champion of the conclave, we will come to know only at around 11-12 o'clock on Sunday, because the last leg of the questions would be hosted in the platform by that time. So Sunday morning you will have a lot of sessions. Post lunch, it will be the most important presentation ceremony. All right. So in which more than 6 lakhs worth of Amazon coupons will be presented. Almost 40 to 50 people in this entire hall would be rewarded. Go ahead. Next step. CMart previous 1.8. More green 1.9. Much more green 2. Some more green 2.1. 2.2. 2.3. 2.4. 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8. Then, guys, did we decide upper circuit? 2.9, 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. Where are the bears? 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. No, still bulls are ahead. 3.4. There's no 3.10. Okay. It is 4 lakhs. Thank you. Famebook, previous it was 1 lakh. 1.1. Bulls are dominating. Okay, reds. Yeah, it's reds. 1.1. Green. 1.7. More reds. Should we go down? 1.6. 1.4. 1.3. 1.2. 1.1. 1. 0.9. 0.8. 0.7. Where did the bulls disappear now? 0.6. Okay, reds are back. 0.6. Nanosoft 1.5 lakhs. 1.6. 2.4. 2.5. 2.6. 2.7. 2.8. 2.9. 3. 3.4. 3.5. Yeah? Nanosoft 3.6, 3.7, 8, 9. Yeah, more reds now. 3.9 lakhs. Apple, Maple, 1.9 lakhs. More bulls. 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7. And remember, if prices are high, you'll have to pay more money there. Mind it. You can tame it tomorrow after buying. If you get a buyer here, you can sell, or else you have to market. Which one? I don't know. If you have to figure out here. The desk will not buy. Imagine you're an unlisted share, not a listed share. And there is no market order, it's only limit order. It doesn't execute if there are no buyers. Greens are good, but greens are good, right? Bulls are good for the economy. You have put an order to buy, there are no buyers, simple. You have to wait for the buyer to come. See, they decided the price. Please understand, the price is set. Price is set now. The price is set. If you want to sell, you can sell later. See, ideally, if you have to set up a real process, we have to automate and create a GPL kind of infrastructure, which we are going to do in the next year's conference. For now, these kind of situations you have to manage. And remember, we fixed a bug today in real time. Huh? We are equally, a smart tech company. Yeah, after the desk is closed, you can start exchanging here. You can always over the drinks tomorrow night, we have a gala dinner planned. Imagine having daru, having chicken, and then exchanging shares. What a life it would be. See, I've designed such a wonderful program for you. All right, Tintel 1.8L. Quick. More reds, no change. Thank you. Tomato 1 lakh. More reds. Should we go down? 0.9. 0.8. They have taken you seriously now. 0.7. 0.6. 0.5. 0.4. 0.3. 0.2. But we will not sell for free, okay? Final 0.1. Okay, 0.1 is the score. Whoever wants to go buy, rush and buy everything now. Zipcard 1.4. More base 1.3. equal 1.3. VTS motor 1 lakh. More bears 0.9. Bulls are back 1 lakh. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. You are almost balanced now. Okay, awesome, fantastic. Hi, hello friends. Before we move on for lunch, I have some updates. Can you guys present the prizes, please? And before the prizes, I guess let us proceed. Yep. So these are the latest prizes, friends. Somebody almost drilled 90% of tomato. There's one gentleman who bought most of tomato shares. Who is that? See? Smart guy. Okay. Sounds good. So can we have the breaking news, please?
Preview.
Any bulls to tame it? Kindly raise it high. Too many reds. Okay, one back to 1 lakh. Back to 1 lakh. More reds, 0.9. More reds, 0.8. All of you remember there are no more shares there. 0.7. Okay, 0.7 locked. CTS 0.7. 1.9, 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 1.9, 2, 2.1, 2.2, some more rates required, 2.3, 2.4, 2.4. 1.9, 2, 2.1, 2.2, some more rates required, 2.3, 2.4, 2.4. 0.3, almost same, 0.3. TK CMAT 4 lakhs, CMAT 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, Bears 4.6. ಏನು ಬೇಡ Awesome, awesome. So friends, the final bidding of the day which decides the future of Turtle Portfolio Manager. So first things first, fame book, the price was 0.7 lakh. Bulls and Bears. Bulls and Bears, once more, all tables please expose. 0.6. 0.5. Bulls, 0.4. Yep, 0.4. That is the final price. CTS, 3.7 lakhs. You have to raise it, friends. 3.8, 3.9, 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, 5. Upper circuit hoga. Where are the base? 5.1. Yep, 5.2. No, I don't see the base. 5.3, 5.4. Everyone are holding this bow shock or what? 5.5, 5.6. Few more base wanted. 5.7. Yep, 5.7 final score. Green Bull 0.6. Green Bull 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, some more base required, 1.6, 1.7, couple of more, 1.8, 1.8 lakhs final. Zipcard 2.4, 2.5, almost equal, thank you, 2.5 final. Tomato 0.3, 0.4, more reds. Chalo 0.4 final tomato. CMart 5 lakhs. CMAX, okay, more greens, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, bears, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, 6, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, I need at least 5 more base, 6.4, 6.5, 6.6, 6.7, 6.8, I'll close at 6.8. Tintel 2.4, 2.4 equal, thank you. BTS Motors 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 4, more base required, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, some more base, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, I need another 2-3 base, 4.9, 5, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, some more bears, 2 more bears, 5.3, 5.3. Nanosoft 3.9, 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, some more bears, 4.5, 4.6, okay, 4.6 final. Maple final, 3 lakhs, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, some more bears, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, I need 2 more bears, 3.8, 1 more bear, 2.9, 3.9, 4 lakhs final. Thank you. So friends, we are going to publish, guys, can you please expose the final scores? You heard it? You guys heard it, right? Yeah, update it on the website. Friends, please take a photo of the screen. These are the final prizes and the final bidding is done. Yeah, that is not required. Leave it, that is fine. Okay, so friends, click a photo, okay, and we have a request. Every one of you do your own calculations, share wise, update your log sheets, okay, and you need to type and send the final value of your portfolio to Traders Conclave Telegram ID. Once that is done, we will invite the top 10 to top 15 guys, okay, for a evaluation, okay, and then we will cross check your transactions. If everything is right, you will continue, or we will disqualify some people and identify the top 5 guys. Is that clear? So the time is 7 o'clock. I think after 8:30 mine may not work because of the obvious reasons. So my request to every one of you is do the calculations right away. Meanwhile, we will proceed with the panel discussion. All right? Awesome. Thank you very much. Here comes the Diamond Turtle Portfolio Manager of the Traders Conclave, Mr. Raghav Kumar, with a portfolio value of 54.9 lakhs. Welcome, sir. Please welcome. May I request one of the mentors to come and honor them? Vidya, sir, please come. So the next Platinum Turtle Portfolio Manager is Mr. Dr. Prasad Agishi. I'm sorry if I have pronounced it wrong. He wins with a portfolio of 53.7 lakhs. Naveen, sir. Naveen. You have to speak, give that also. Thank you. So, the other person kindly stay on the corner, sir. We'll have a final click. I request even the Diamond TPM winner to be on stage. Next is Mr. Jitendra Singh with a portfolio value of 50.2 lakhs. He is the Gold Turtle Portfolio Manager. Naveen, help me with this. Thank you. And next Silver Turtle Portfolio Manager is Mr. Mridesh Sharma with a portfolio value of 46.4 lakhs. Sir, please come. Thank you very much, sir. Congrats. Thank you, sir. And the last person is Mr. Sunil Pargani with a portfolio value of 42.8 lakhs. He becomes the Bronze Turtle Portfolio Manager. This one's for all the bronzes. Request a photo with all of them. One final photo with all of them. Gentlemen, please come here so that we get our background clearly.